We're with the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago. We were created in 1889. We've had a long history, and with a long history comes a lot of older equipment.
The ComEd Energy Efficiency Program is working with water reclamation facilities, offering incentives for equipment upgrades.
Wastewater treatment plants operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so we always try to target opportunities that make the most sense for the customer.
The problem with the old blowers was we had a finite capacity for the air that was produced by the blowers. That was not fixable unless we had a turbo blower, which gives me infinitely more capacity at a less of an energy cost.
Turbo blowers, they have magnetic bearings. They require a very little maintenance compared to older technology.
Maintenance on it is minimal. For us, it's changing filters.
Another plus of these turbo blowers, they are quieter.
We used to have hearing protection. When we walked through that room, you couldn't carry on a conversation. The older blowers produced a lot of heat. With the controllers, that's an issue too, so we'd have to have a separate air conditioning unit for it.
With the new turbo blower, the Lamont plant is expected to save about 395,000 kilowatt hours per year, or a savings of nearly $27,000.
Saving 395,000 kilowatt hours a year. You don't have to be an electrical engineer to know this is a major savings for our plant, Metropolitan Water Reclamation District, and our planet.
We have to find ways that we can help these customers reduce their energy consumption just because they're on all of the time, and there are great ways to help them, whether it's through simple things like lighting, improvements in aeration technology, pumping systems, and even in some cases combined heat and power systems where we use some of the waste gas from these facilities and power generators that can help them reduce their overall energy consumption.
Visit ComEd.com/WWT for more information. ComEd, powering lives.